It's a beautiful world. The challenge of the 21st century is to keep it that way. Climate change threatens the future of every single human on the planet. Europe is leading the fight back, with ambitious targets to reduce emissions to safer levels by 2050. As businesses strive to meet these targets, innovation will be key. A new world demands a new approach. Cleaner, more efficient data for smarter, more efficient production. Ecofact is the solution. Ecofact offers your business instant feedback at every stage of the production process, from design to assembly line to packaging. Monitor and adjust impacts in real time for optimal efficiency. If there's a problem, Ecofact will let you know how it affects your carbon footprint and your bottom line. Ecofact puts your business in control of its energy and environmental signature. No more guesswork, no more costly estimates. Information at your fingertips when you need it. The entire life cycle of your products assessed and evaluated by one innovative solution. Ecofact sees your business, plant or factory as a whole, giving accurate, real-time data on how your process is performing. With Ecofact, energy awareness and emissions control are integrated into your production process. Better knowledge means better decisions and a better future for us all. Ecofact puts that knowledge in your hands, for your business, for your customers, for our future. Ecofact.